Welcome back, curry crew. Today we have another delicious recipe. Now today we're going to be making a Paneer Tikka Kathi Roll. Now this famous Indian street food is one of my favorite dishes and it's going to be yours as well. So I am going to kick it over to Mrs. T, who's already in the kitchen cooking up a storm.
We took 2 cups of paneer and in that we are going to add 1 big green capsicum and 1 onion. Now we are going to season it. So for seasoning we are adding salt, cumin-coriander powder, red chili powder, everything a pinch because our red chili powder is very spicy, but if you have a mild one you can add like 1 teaspoon. And I am taking a pinch of garam masala. To this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of sarson ka tel. And I am going to add 1/4 tablespoon of amchur powder. Mix all this very well. If you don't have sarson ka tel, you can always use olive oil or sesame oil. Sarson ka tel is mustard oil, but if you don't have that, you can always use whatever oil you have at home. So this thing is ready. I'm going to put it aside and now I'm going to work on our yogurt. I'm going to take now 1/4 cup of home curd, and if we need more I'll add little bit later, but right now I think 1/4 cup is enough. In that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and mayonnaise is going to give it a creaminess, so that's why we are adding mayonnaise. Just 1 tablespoon, not more. And I'm going to add half a tablespoon of cornstarch just for the binding, so it binds our marination to the paneer, and when we grill it doesn't fall apart. Now we are going to season our marination. So to season our marination, we are going to add a pinch of garam masala, a pinch of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin-coriander powder, and salt to taste. I'm going to mix all this properly. If I feel I need more yogurt, I'll add it, but right now I think this is it. Our marinade is ready, so I'm going to put this marinade in the paneer cubes and cut vegetables which are already seasoned, and I'm going to mix this well. I think we are not going to require more yogurt, it's enough. The one which we took is enough. This is well mixed now. So we are going to let this sit for like half an hour till we make our parathas. So this is 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour. In that we are going to add 3/4 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add salt to taste. I've added half a teaspoon of salt, not much. Mix well, and then I add 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Mix well, and now I'm going to use water to knead the dough. So this is mixed properly, and I'm going to add lukewarm water. Slowly I'll start adding while I knead the dough, and the reason I'm using lukewarm water is because it makes the parathas very soft and they'll melt in your mouth. When the dough is almost ready, I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of ghee, and I am going to add that in here. If you want to know, we have used homemade ghee. If you want to know how to make homemade ghee, we have a video. Link will be posted. You can try that. And I'll keep kneading till the dough becomes very soft and spongy. Adding ghee towards the end makes the dough spongy. So that's why we are doing it, adding towards the end. If required, I might add more. Kneading well also helps to make it soft and spongy, because it breaks up the gluten, so it becomes more stretchable. That is one more reason you want to knead the dough very well. I'm going to take some ghee. Our dough is ready. And you see, like, it comes back. When I press like this, it slowly again comes back. We are going to take a wet tissue. All the water is squeezed out, and we are going to cover the dough with it while we prepare to roll it out. So now we are going to start rolling out the parathas. So I took a roll of dough, covering the raised dough again with the tissue so it doesn't become dry. I make a bowl like this, and I'm going to dip it a little bit in the dry flour so that I can roll it out easily. This is going to be big paratha in size. You don't have to worry if it's round or not, because anyways we are going to roll it up and make a roll. So this time you don't have to worry, you just have to roll it out. And if you still want to make it perfectly round, you can cut it with a pizza cutter. I'm not going to cut it, but you can. I'm just going to make sure that all the edges are like little bit done properly like this. The pan is already preheated. So we are going to put the paratha in it. So while this is cooking, we are going to roll the other one. The ghee smells amazing. We'll let it cook. It will take some time to cook. Then we'll flip again to cook this side and more. All this should turn like golden brown. So till then you have to keep cooking. The first one always takes time because the pan is not heated properly, but second one onwards it will speed up. So first of all, we are going to prepare our onions, and then we are going to cook our paneer. So for onions, what I have done is I'm going to squeeze a lemon, half a lemon, maybe a little bit less than half because this lemon has a lot of juice in it. We have taken half an onion and we have cut it like this. To that I am going to add 1 green chilli, finely chopped. Guys, don't get scared if I am chopping chilies like this. I've been chopping this like this since I was a teenager. Never hurt myself. Don't try that though. I'm trained to chop the chilies like this since last 40 years. Okay. We are going to add salt to taste. A little bit of garam masala. Then mix it well. We are going to take skewers and put our paneer in there on the skewers along with the capsicum and onions, alternating. So one piece of paneer, then capsicum, then onion, again paneer. And we are going to use the grill to grill the paneer skewers. But if you don't have the grill, you can use it on a gas stove. You can just make it in a skillet instead of skewers. Whatever works for you. It just have to be cooked. So don't worry about that I don't have a grill. How can I make this dish? You can make this dish in a skillet as well. We just wanted some char, so that's why we are using a grill. Now our grill is warm, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some drops of ghee, apply some ghee so that, and then put our skewers in. We don't have to close the grill because we can just keep flipping it, but you'll see how we're cooking them. We're preparing another skewer while this is being cooked. Just be very careful while you are preparing the skewer, don't hurt yourself. So now you see our parathas, they are like perfectly cooked, golden brown, little bit crispy on the top and soft as well. They are all ready for the paneer to go in. So what we have done is we have made homemade coriander mint mango chutney fresh. And if you want the recipe of it, you have to ask for it by commenting below because we want some interaction with our crew. So ask for the recipe and you will get it so that you can get exactly you will make your dish also exactly the way we have made ours, and it will taste exactly the way it tastes here in our kitchen. We are almost done. It smells so good. Can't wait to try it, guys. If you like our recipes, invite your friends. Let's grow the crew. And also recommend some recipes which you would like us to make, and we'll try to make it. It's done. So what I'm now doing is I'm taking one paratha and now we are going to sprinkle some chaat masala on it. Put some of our onions. Then our chutney. Then you just roll it and now you can just taste it. It tastes so good. It's yummy. The paneer is very soft. The paratha is very soft and very moist. It's like all the flavors dancing on my tongue. Like as soon as I put it in my mouth, the flavors, it was like a blast in my mouth. And this is an amazing dish, guys. I think you should try it. With that, we are done. See you later.
So guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. It really does help us out. And thank you for watching, and keep on cooking.